Hi everyone, I hope you're doing well. Today I have another Fabfitfun unboxing. It's the fall 2024 box for you. As always, like, comment, subscribe, engage with this video telling me you want more videos here. I'll have everything linked underneath and also my other YouTube channel where I do tarot and horoscopes. If you're interested, I post there almost every day. But let's just get into the box. I've been subscribed to Fabfitfun for I think 4 or 5 years now. I do the annual membership and I absolutely love it. So this is what the box looks like. I have boxes that obviously some boxes are better than others and I'm really excited about this one. So let's just get into what's in the box. As an annual member, you get to pick all your items. So that's why I love it. So win a year of free boxes. So here's a code if you guys wanted to use that. Here's a code for HelloFresh if you want a free breakfast for life. So the first item I'm so excited about, Elemis Pro Collagen Naked Cleansing Balm. It's a hydrating cleansing balm suitable for use around the eyes, it says. I have dry, sensitive skin and I've never tried something from Elemis that I don't like. Everything that I've tried from them is super soothing, nourishing to the skin, and doesn't break me out or cause me any reaction. And I always use cleansing balms and makeup removers. As you know, it's something we use every day. Super excited about this. And it looks like a pretty big container. So I'll use this and then I'll put it in an empties video for you. Second item I picked, Ole Henriksen Truth Brightens Age-defying and all-day hydration, collagen boost with True C complex. It's a facial serum. Again, through the years of trying skincare, I find one of the best products for me because I have dry, sensitive skin. And one of my goals is hydration and plumping and anti-aging. But also if you're a fairer complexion and you get sunspots, vitamin C is critical for you. I find such a difference with it. I even use it on my hands. Like I put vitamin C serum in my hands and my hand cream too. Super excited about this. I love vitamin C products, so I'm hoping I'd love this. And this is a really well-known brand as well. Next is these slips, upgrade your hair tie game. These little scrunchies here. I already got these in a previous box. Honestly, I don't like them that much. They're super thin and they stretch out super easily, I find, because my hair is so thick and voluminous and I have so much hair that these really stretch out fast. I do like that they're super gentle on the hair. They never pull or tug at your hair and they're comfortable to wear, but they do stretch out like so much. So I would never buy these on my own, or I would buy the thicker ones for like long and thick hair, but just to have it included in a box, I know I'm going to use these, so I don't care if it stretches out or not, whatever, I guess. And then I have this Sasha Juan Heat Protectant Hair Cream. Never heard of this brand before, but I'm excited to try it. And one of my goals for the new year is to style my hair more often, like get really good at curling it again. So that's why I wanted a heat protector. And I also am one of those types of people that I can't use drugstore hair products. You might see some in my empties videos that I'm just using up, but I have to use good quality products on my hair just because my hair is so thick and it's thick and wavy and it just doesn't react well to drugstore products. Briogeo Style and Treat Yuzu and Plum Oil Soft Power Air Dry Cream. So it says the Style and Treat collection, style with clean formula that treats your hair with antioxidants for healthy looking hair. Again, Briogeo's another brand like Elemis, where everything that I've tried just reacts so well to my hair. I haven't tried one thing that I don't like from them, so anytime they have them as an option, I get it, and I'm super excited about this because I find Briogeo smells amazing. It has really good ingredients. It's great for dry hair. It gives you that great shine and smell and healthiness to your hair. I really love it. And these I'm actually pretty excited about too. These Washland laundry detergent strips. It says there's 32 loads of fresh linen. One strip is one load. So it's like these little strips here. They smell really good, actually. Like clean laundry. This is what they look like. It says to slide them out. So this is what they look like. Wow. So one whole strip is a full load, I guess. I really love the smell. They smell really fresh and good. And this is just a different thing for me to try. I've just been, again, learning throughout the years about different ingredients and things and stuff. And I guess laundry detergent has a lot of additives that are bad for your skin, and I have sensitive skin. So I'm really excited to try these, actually. So this is everything that I got in my fall box. I picked everything and I absolutely love it. I would rate this box a 5 out of 5, I would say, because I'm just excited for so many things to try. And I'll continue updating reviews on these in my empties video. See you guys later. Bye.